Hey y'all, it's Jen here, Rich Custom Designs. I got my garland done. Good thing about the gloomy day is you can see the lights on it. Let's get closer though. Let's see, you can see it lit up, kinda. A little bit better. I will tuck that away, so don't look at that. Battery packs will be tucked away. I am going to put some more hangy things on it. I like the little trucks here. But I need to get one more strand of lights. But other than that, I'll be taking orders. As always. What y'all think of it? Alright, hope y'all are having a great, wonderful, blessed day. Bye.